time me to go first time camping with the Cambulance. So I'm a little bit cheating because I'm just going to sleep on like my little brother's yard, so I can use that bathroom toilet and I can get like electricity and go inside if it's too cold. So not really camping, but I had like some problems with this e-gear ventilation system and stuff like that. So if it breaks or something, I'm not screwed, and it might go like below the zero, so freezing. And I'm not sure how the heating works and all of that stuff. So that's time to go and test it and go to Lapakisto, like not national park but like park on Lahti city in Finland here with my dog Lulu. So let's go and see if everything works and my new pet things works and all of that. I have a lot of stuff. So going now. We didn't left anywhere. My first problem, adding the windshield liquid to like washing liquid and realizing that the pipe isn't on. Everything just went to the ground. At least I didn't add a lot. Only like a little bit on that back was left, so that looks like you just place that in. But problem is it's really hard place, like down the pillow. I'm not sure I can like get my hand there, but let's try anyway. Fuck. I got it like somehow over there. It's there, but if I put more liquid, I think it's not like fully in. So hopefully I don't need to clean my windshields a lot. So all my problems on like the situation is that there's broken cable. That's simple. I fixed it like just a piece of metal and tape, and everything works fine. Even the gas pedal is like working perfectly. So I'm now on my second friend's house, my cousin, and they are just coming now. So we are going to melt it, and hopefully it sticks and I don't need to find new parts. So we'll see if I get to the Lapakisto and Lahti tomorrow or something. I just went to the Lidl to get some food because I don't like have any, and it's like Easter Friday, so everything closes sooner, and it's 7 or half 8 on the evening, and the sun is setting, so I'm on Mäntsälä. I need to go. So no Lapakisto today, it's tomorrow morning. Just go eating to my little brother and sleep on the van this night. Lulu is getting anxious, so so let's go and let's see how the sleeping on the van goes. I'm freezing already. So we are at our destination at my little brother's house, and I'm just first time like getting the balance on the car with the blue thingies under the tires, and I just placed the Webasto heating thingy on timer to it's maximum 2 hours. So I hope it's going to like in couple hours to start heating the car inside, and when I'm coming to sleep it's warm, like 20 degrees or something. Now let's go. It started to rain water not snow, like water. So let's go to my little brother eating something and use bathroom and getting food to my dog Lulu, and then coming back here and trying to sleep. It's like 1 o'clock on midnight and it's time to go sleeping. I had like hour ago, 2 hours, the Webasto heating. It's not cold, it's okay. I just plugged this car to the outlet electricity and I have like this heater, but it doesn't always work. So let's try it. I think I need to adjust it on like the cabin. There is only one problem with that. It's pretty noisy. That's not a problem for me. The problem is that it's going on the whole night. So it might, there's like no adjustments to make it less warm. So it's just like 1000 watts full power or 2000 or something. I don't know the wattage. And it might get even too hot. So if I wanna take it off, I need to go over here and press the button over there. But other than that, at least it's not gonna be cold. So, see you on the morning. Good morning, beautiful people. I thought it's like 8 in the morning, but it's like 12 noon, midday. I woke up like a couple of times, and the car is a little bit tilted on the right, so it was a little bit annoying. And yeah, you can hear that noise. And that gets my eyes like really dry. But it like 4 o'clock in the night, it got so hot. I opened the door a little bit and went with the dog to like pee. And after that, it was like, it's now not too hot. Actually, it's just a little bit like coldish if I take the blanket off. So without that, I'm probably going to freeze. But now let's rise up and go to the Lapakista like park with the dog Lulu and see the place. Yeah, this feels like a second home. Oh yeah, this is starting to get heavy, this 1.5 kilo camera on my hand on this range position. Oh, on this you can see beautiful. Oh, now I'm hitting my camera. But anyhow,